Hello, my wonderful people. It's your girl again, Boss Lady V. Hey, my people, see correct oh. I go farm oh. Hey, no be smart oh. Make una check my farm now. I go farm for Dutchland. I go farm for Germany oh. I go pluck corn, my people. Make una see as the corn fresh oh. Hey, I know say una wey dey bongo una go dey look us for abroad. Una go think say we be ajebo. Una go think say we be big ajebo, my people. We no dey go farm. Una think say we no dey go farm. Una think say we no dey go farm. We no dey do anything. Make una come see ana. We dey go farm oh. See ana farm I dey like this, so I go pluck corn. I go cut corn for farm, my people. Make una see corn oh. See corn na. The corn fresh, no be small. The corn fresh, and also the corn sweet. E fresh finish, corn make sense finish. Wanna see Boss Lady V? I go pluck corn for bush. I go inside farm, go pluck corn. My people, this corn one and they see so e good for body, no be small. This corn is very fresh and it's very, very good to your body. Make una try, make una dey chop corn, my people. Any natural food wey come from bush is very healthy. It is very, very good to your system. So, my people, if you know say you know dey chop corn before, abeg try make you start to dey chop corn. Corn is good for body. Well. Is very, very healthy. It's very good for your system. Now I carry myself today. I go farm. I say I want go cut corn, so that make I still chop corn no, my people. Now I go farm, go cut corn like this. See amo, I don't dey cook the corn. Now the corn I dey fire like this. So hey, my people, wanna see my corn now? Wanna see the way the thing they throw away smoke? Hey, the corn to go fine, it to go sweet, it to go make sense. Yes, so and my people, make una try, make una dey follow this page, make una dey like. And make una dey share my video all the time, my people. Share my video, follow my page, like, and always share my video, so that anytime I upload, una go be the first people wey go dey get the information. So, my people, now me be this Boss Lady V. I go cut corn house, corn cook am. Now so I can't sit down gidigba. I can't begin to flex my corn. I can't begin to chop my corn, my people. The thing makes sense. Now I say make I carry, I can't give una for here. My wonderful people, make una see am. Because now me be the Boss Lady V, where they give una every update, every ogbonge news as it dey happen. Now so I dey carry a control away for una for my social media platform like this, Boss Lady V. Make una follow this page, make una like, and make una always dey share my video. Make una dey encourage my page by sharing my video, guys. Thank you so much. I can't go love una too much, my wonderful fans. I love you guys so much. Make una come join me make we chop this corn together. Make una come join me chop this corn because the thing is sweet. The thing makes sense. No be small thing. The thing makes sense. Yes, so contact Boss Lady V. If you don't know how you want to get corn, contact me. I go show you the way.